Hey Ariana.
Hey Rowan, how are you?
Great. What about you?
So good. 3-day weekend's better than 2.
Oh, let's talk about how do we make it reality every week.
That would be awesome.
Let's do it.
Wow, this garden is such an amazing space. We're so lucky to have it.
I'm happy we are able to use it because of Corona. We were not really in the office for 2 years, so
That's right.
it's a pity. But now we are back and we can enjoy it, which is quite great to have as part of office.
So we've been here about 3 years, right? In this office space.
That's right. We moved here in May 2019.
And how would you say life or work-life balance has changed in that time since we've been here?
I guess we all went through a roller coaster, right? It was from, I wish we could work from the office to I wish we could be working remotely to I wish I could get out of the house. So I think we all went through a little bit of a learning process of what does it mean to work and what does it mean to live.
Exactly. And so what is work-life balance to you? Or what do we do in our everyday life to actually achieve it?
Right. Yeah. That's a great question. Work-life balance is like alchemy, right? It's we don't have a mercury turning to gold anymore, but we have a need for work converted to I have a work and now I need to work. Well, there is time left for living. I think it all depends on what is your side hustles, whether it's a sport or whether it's a family. But we somehow, our current setup is that we believe we should spend more time at work than actually being with our close ones and building something a part of the work. The work-life balance, however, has the other side as well. You might be seeking for work and you don't have enough resources to actually sustain your life. So I believe it's fluctuating between these two sides, depending where you are in your life. So it's a very, very tricky thing to identify and objectivize. I can say that. What is it for you?
I think, I don't know, definitely having as much free time as possible. Whereas you just want to make sure that you're as efficient as you can be every single day. And so whether, you use so many different tools, whether it's your mobile phone, your laptop, your mind, and of course we have Workstreams.ai to make sure that you're getting the most out of every single day. But I think even more important than that is contextualizing what you're actually doing with your team, having transparent communication, and just making sure that everybody is on the same page. So I think if you can achieve that, you can achieve work-life balance.
Okay, yeah, that's great to hear that using the set of modern tools can really improve your feeling of satisfaction of, okay, I'm actually able to achieve the work-life balance, or at least I have a sense of what it feels like to have a work-life balance, because everything is temporary and things might change, and the tools need to evolve further. I think that within our 4 years history, we witnessed the boom of communication platform users learning what it means to read the walls of text suddenly in a context of work, which puts a lot of strain on their internal processes in their heads, because it's very difficult to visualize everything if I can't see it in front of me in different layers. It's all just a wall of a text and a thread and multiple threads. That becomes very cumbersome. So I'm happy that what we projected on the beginning of our journey in 2019, that the future is in distributed teams which have a set of modern tools which allows them to communicate clearly in a context-based platform, which is aware that it might be a taskboard level or it might be task level, but only the right people are always connected together from anywhere, whether it's a Slack or Teams or together or with independent external providers, whether it's your freelancers or it's a vendor or your client. Ideally, there should be one way where everybody is able to hop on and hop off whenever it's required and be able to collaborate with you. Rather need to invite them to your communication platforms and make sure that the right security access is set up. So that's what we are looking at, I think, from the perspective of what we need to bring very soon. And by very soon, I mean we are bringing it in this month.
So you're telling the viewers that very soon they're going to be able to cross-collaborate with almost anyone in the world?
That's right. We added a layer of public access in a way, which allows anybody to create their own team, their own profiles, share the profiles with the others, and build up also a database of collaborators and add a skill set, oversee all of this on the personal and the team dashboard, manage their users with different permission levels, whether inside of a team or on the task board, distribute the ownership of different workflows, multiply the workflows, manage their workflows, add a new content, basically build really, really strong cross-organizational collaborating platform.
Okay, so we'll be able to bring work-life balance to every aspect of our lives, no matter where we're working from or who we're working with.
We are always striving to contribute to the great list of inventions which change the world, like fire or internet.
The wheel.
At the wheel, yes. Yes. And I believe that if we build a tool which can be used in a productive way and it can bring some work-life balance to people, then we will hear about it very, very soon.
And that's the real value, right? As long as you're helping people save time and do their work better.
What we hear from our existing user base, that's right. So we believe that if we address their highest need, which we hear very, very often, I need to collaborate with external people efficiently, then I believe that if we are able to break the barrier between external, internal, and different ways of communication and being aligned, seeing the same view of reality, at that point, I think we should all have an easier sleep.
So how do we get access to it?
It's very simple. Just drop us a line at feedback@Workstreams.ai right now. But if you are already a user of Workstreams.ai, you can also join our beta program, and you will gain access to put your name on the early access list.
Awesome. Cool. And it's available now?
It's going to be available from mid of this month.
Cool. Not long to wait then.
We got disturbed by this worker bee, but yeah, it's great to be able to observe nature from so close. Ariana, thanks a lot for your time today.
Thanks, Roman. I have to go. I've got a call.
Have a great rest of the day.
Ciao.
And thank you for watching, everybody. Please join us in July, where we will show you how new Workstreams.ai looks like and how to get the best out of it. See you soon. Ciao.